This is the last video of corporate governance course. In this video, we are going to summarize all the materials we have learned from the previous videos. After learning this course, you are able to analyze theories and major issues of corporate governance and other related approaches and issues. We learned that business organization is not a single entity. It is a social entity, therefore there are influential factors that affect the business process and business decisions. Those influential factors come from internal organization and external organization. We have learned that there are differences between business outputs and business outcomes from the previous videos. We can say that the business outcomes are the business results that can support business sustainability. Sustainable development as development that meets the need of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Triple bottom line with support sustainability striving in three areas: economic, social, and environmental. There are three basic areas of managerial decision making. First, the choices about what the law should be and whether to follow them. Second one, choices about economic and social issues outside the domain of law. And the third, the choices about the priority of self-interest over the company's interests. Corporate governance is the system by which companies are directed or controlled. If management is about running business and governance is about seeing that it's run properly. Those are principles in governing the company: transparency, accountability, integrity, fairness, and independence. You can see from the picture how we conduct a good corporate governance in achieving sustainability and profit for the company. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.